My history with Brambles began in 2006. I was responsible for reverse logistics at one of the largest retailers in Canada, and I was actually managing a Brambles customer collaboration, which was on-site services. The Brambles 2020 sustainability goals to increase year-over-year customer collaborations has been a fantastic achievement. We have grown our customer collaborations from 246 in 2019 to now 276 in 2020. The impact of that has been reducing another 1,637 tons of CO2 from the atmosphere. Customer collaborations are extremely important to the future offering for Brambles, because one of the fundamental things that the industry is trying to solve for is meeting the dual challenge of rising consumer demand while making less impact. Brands and retailers are facing some of the largest challenges in recent history, notwithstanding the fact we have a global pandemic that the industry is still recovering from and still having to deal and adjust the way that they operate. The consumer expectations for brands and retailers to make less impact through reducing single-use packaging, through less emissions, and through sustainable sourcing has not gone away. With all of us helping Brambles achieve this goal around growing the number of year-over-year collaborations, I feel absolutely privileged to be part of such a unique program with our customers at such a relevant time. Where I see collaboration moving in the future is, how do we actually become better? How do we become more better? And how do we build regenerative, more net positive supply chains?